Hey everyone, it's Abdurrahman Abu. Today, we're diving into the easiest ways to make money online in 2024. We all know the internet is this massive opportunity for connection and, yes, for building real, sustainable income streams. I'll share 3 tactics for generating passive, recurring revenue, the kind of income that lets you focus on what matters. Stay tuned for a bonus at the end where I reveal my personal strategies. Let's talk about Facebook, the platform with over 2.9 billion monthly active users. That's a goldmine of potential customers for your online business. One highly effective strategy is recipe blogging. People love scrolling through their feeds, discovering delicious meals. By creating engaging recipe content, you can tap into Facebook's bonus program and earn money while you sleep. The key here is consistency and quality. Post new recipes regularly, use high-quality images and videos, and engage with your followers in the comments. Facebook's algorithm prioritizes content that keeps users on the platform, so focus on creating scroll-stopping visuals and mouth-watering descriptions. Don't be afraid to get creative and showcase your unique culinary style. Remember, building a loyal following takes time and effort. Be patient, stay consistent, and watch your online earnings grow. Now, let's talk about content creation. In the fast-paced world of social media, you need eye-catching visuals to stand out. That's where Ideogram comes in. Ideogram is a powerful new tool that allows you to create stunning, AI-generated images from text prompts. Think of it like magic for your content strategy. Combine Ideogram with ChatGPT, another game-changing AI, and you've got a recipe for viral content. Use ChatGPT to generate catchy captions, write engaging blog posts, or even script your YouTube videos like this one. But here's the kicker. Ideogram lets you design those attention-grabbing visuals that make your content pop. Imagine creating a series of images that perfectly illustrate your latest blog post, or crafting a visually stunning recipe video using only AI. The possibilities are endless. By integrating these tools into your workflow, you can save time, boost your creativity, and reach a wider audience than ever before. Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous chapters, we explored the incredible power of Facebook for generating income online. Now, let's dive into another fantastic platform with massive potential: Pinterest. Think of Pinterest as a visual search engine where people come to discover ideas and inspiration, but it's also a gold mine for savvy entrepreneurs like you. By understanding how to leverage Pinterest effectively, you can drive significant traffic to your website, products, or services. One of the most powerful strategies is strategic pinning. It's not just about pinning anything that catches your eye. It's about carefully selecting and creating high-quality, visually appealing pins that resonate with your target audience. Remember those keywords we talked about earlier? They're crucial here too. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions, board titles, and even the image file names themselves. This will help your pins appear in search results when people are looking for information related to your niche. Another effective strategy is to collaborate with other Pinterest users, especially those in your niche. By joining group boards and participating in collaborations, you can expand your reach and get your content seen by a wider audience. And here's a pro tip. Don't underestimate the power of Pinterest ads. With targeted advertising, you can put your pins in front of the right people at the right time, maximizing your chances of driving traffic and conversions. Remember, consistency is key on Pinterest. Pin regularly, engage with your followers, and stay up to date on the latest trends. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the incredible earning potential of Pinterest. Thanks for watching. I hope these strategies empower you to unlock the incredible income potential of Facebook and Pinterest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more awesome content. Check out the link in the description for a free Facebook course to get started on your money-making journey.